Hello again, I'm Glenn or Lenny, depending how you know me, and I'm here with your cure for a lockdown blues, the up-down counting trick where magic and maths comes together, and this is going to be the tutorial where I explain why the trick works and why maths holds it together. To begin with, we have a normal 52 card pack which tends to have 2 jokers and then random cards. I asked you to ask the audience to pick 3 random cards, but to make the trick a little bit easier to understand, I said let's pick 3 cards that are the same. It makes it a little more visual and a little more clearer to understand. We actually have 4 aces, and I'm going to replace one of those aces with one of the jokers so we don't trip ourselves up as we go through, because it becomes a little bit harder to understand. So we're losing one of the aces so we don't think it's appeared halfway through the trick, and we're going to pop out the other aces just to one side like that. This time I'm going to create packs of 14, 15, 15 and 5. I did it this way. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This bit helps to keep you in line. Makes things easy to understand. These are all packs of 5. It's sometimes easier to go 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Right, there's 2 and 3, and if you've done it correctly, you should have 4 left. That's going to be part of pack A. So I want 14, I want 15, 15 and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick 3 of these. Doesn't matter which 3, because these are 3 times 5, and I've got 15 there, and I pick another 3. Doesn't matter which 3, that's not important. And I've got another pack of 15. I've still got 4 here. I want to put 10 cards on top of there. So now we have 14 and 15 and 15, and we should be left with 5, which is correct. This is pack A, B, C and D. To make this a little easier to understand, this time I'm going to let you see the cards. I'm going to put the ace on top of pack A, and I'm going to cut half of pack B on top of it. Eventually those cards are going to end up on top of there, which means there'll be 15 cards on top of that ace. But the way the trick looks, you lose that concept. So this ace goes on top of there, and was showing that card. Did I leave that ace showing? I did. There we are. So I put that ace on top of B and cut half of this pack. These will end up there in a second, and I'll pop that there. And now I'm going to put 5 on top of the ace, and if I pop this half back on top, there's still 15 cards between that ace, and if I pop that on there, there's 15 cards between the aces. So if you don't believe me, let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16 between the aces. That's very important because 16 is an even number. It divides by 4, it divides by 8, it divides by 16, it divides by 2. It's a very useful number, and that is the reason this trick works, because we alternate, and we're halving, and then we're quartering, and then we'll call it eighth in. So it works like this. So up, down, odd, even, odd, even. Our card's there, but of course this will be turned over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's why it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Still there. This would be on the unseen pack. Don't forget, this will be turned over. And these don't matter. These will be the up-down cards. I'm not doing the up bit. Doesn't matter though. So, because we know our aces is here. That's the whole concept. So if we keep going, we go down to the up-down bit. The whole point, 2. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the aces are on the eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now the cards are 8 apart. So let's do it again. 1, 2, ace. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they're 4 apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're staying on the evens every single time. Don't forget these will be turned over. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we've ended up with our 3 aces over here. It's all because they began 16 apart. We alternated cards, then they were 8 apart. They were 4 cards apart and finally 2 cards apart, and now they're together. So as long as you keep them evenly spaced, 2, double 2 is 4, double 4 is 8, and double 8 is 16. As long as you have that concept, that's why the trick works, and that's why maths holds it together, and that's why I love it, because it's counting, it's magic, but it's maths.